Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer feedback with Trustpilot, full guide step by step clearly. To manage customer feedback effectively on Trustpilot, start by creating your Trustpilot business account. Visit the Trustpilot website and click on the sign up button located in the top right corner. Fill out the required information, including your company name and email address. Once registered, verify your email to activate your account. Log into your Trustpilot dashboard to access your feedback management tools. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout to better navigate the features available. Next, integrate your Trustpilot account with your existing customer management system if applicable. Use the integration options provided in the settings to streamline the feedback process. Encourage customers to leave reviews by sending personalized requests. Craft concise and engaging email templates for review invitations. After sending requests, monitor the responses in your dashboard. Set up alerts to notify you when new reviews are received. Analyze the feedback to identify trends in customer satisfaction and areas needing improvement. Utilize the review insights to inform your business decisions and strategies. Respond promptly to customer reviews, both positive and negative, to show appreciation and address concerns. Create a professional tone in your responses, emphasizing empathy and understanding. Share positive reviews on your website and social media to build credibility. Regularly update your review requests to ensure ongoing engagement with your customers. Use Trustpilot's reporting tools to track and analyze your review performance over time. Finally, regularly revisit your feedback management strategies to adapt to changing customer. By following these steps, you can effectively manage customer feedback on Trustpilot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.